Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the special economic zone that's being built in Boscobel. It's actually being built south of the Ian Fleming International Airport. So this is a massive development. It's basically building an urban center kind of setup in Boscobel, right beside the airport. Now this airport has a lot of potential, but they first have to extend the runway to accommodate planes as big as a 737. Once that is done, the potential for this area will be unbelievable, enormous potential. So because they have plans to extend the runway, it's actually going to go across the road into the ocean, into the sea. The area is now being built up, and one of the structures they are putting up is a special economic zone. So we are going to go through an article that tells you what they're doing and what the plans are for the special economic zone. In a recent update, Member of Parliament for St. Mary Western, Robert Montague, announced that up to 2,500 jobs are expected to be created in Boscobel, St. Mary, upon the completion of the new special economic zone. Speaking during the State of the Constituency debate, Montague explained that the 31-acre site currently held by the Airports Authority will be transferred to the Factories Corporation of Jamaica for development. The SEZ, the Special Economic Zone located near the Ian Fleming International Airport, will include a variety of facilities, a business processing center for back office data entry in legal, medical, and technological fields, a commercial center with restaurants, banks, and government offices, warehouses, factories, aircraft hangars, factory outlets, a new terminal building, and a medical facility. Montague emphasized that he hopes the majority of these jobs will benefit residents of St. Mary. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.